Okay, good evening, Adab. The poetry or nazam that I'm going to be reading today is called Parinde Ki Faryad. And Faryad is basically an appeal. So it's the appeal of a caged bird. And it's been written by Muhammad Iqbal, also popularly known as Allama Iqbal, who is a poet, philosopher, and politician. And his Urdu and Persian poetry is considered to be one of the best of the modern era. So I'm going to read out, say the translation in English first, and then I'll read out the actual poetry. And I think this poetry just makes us think how valuable our own freedom is to us and what a blessing it is. So I'll be reading in first person as if I am a caged bird. So I'm constantly reminded of my past days, the springs in the garden, and the chirping of all my friends. Where has that freedom disappeared? The freedom of staying in my own nest, of coming when I want, of going when I want. My heart aches the moment I think about the dewdrops on the flowers, where the beautiful form and figure of the Kaminis, which was such a source of happiness to my nest. I don't hear any of those lovely sounds now in this cage, and I just wish that my freedom could be in my own hands. How unlucky and unfortunate am I that I'm pining and missing for my own home, where all my friends are there, where all my friends are, where my homeland is, and I am here in this cage, stuck in this prison. Spring has arrived and all the flowers are laughing. And here in this cage, I'm crying over my fate. Oh God, to whom should I relate this tale of my grief? I'm afraid that I will die in this cage with this grief in my heart. Since I have left my cage, this is the condition of my heart. My heart is crying with grief, and the grief is eating away my heart. Oh, listeners, don't think this is a song, a nice melody, thinking that I'm happy. No, this is the wailing. I am wailing. It's a request of a wounded heart. Please free me, O you who have imprisoned me. I'm a silent prisoner with no tongue. Let me free and earn my blessings. So this is basically what the poetry meant. I relate to it in three ways. So the first time my son, who's now 4, he wanted a pet, he wanted a bird. And at that time, this was a few months ago, and he had already heard this. So we were able to convince him to think about how the bird would feel if it was caged. And immediately he realized that, okay, it's not a good idea. The second way I relate to this is my son is homeschooled. So he doesn't have any fixed schedule of going to school. So he has a lot more freedom than most other kids. So I think that freedom somewhere is related to this poetry. And last, but most importantly, I think that was the reason why I chose this particular poem, is I was listening to it one day during the lockdown, and I hadn't been to my mom's house in 4 months because of the lockdown. And I really felt really sad to the point that I was in tears because I couldn't go home. And I think it's not just for birds, but even for us or anyone who in the lockdown was just stuck where they were. And it really hit a chord with me. So I'll now read this in Urdu. परिंदे की फरियाद, आता है याद मुझको गुजरा हुआ जमाना, वो बाग की बहारें, वो सब का चहचहाना, आजादियां कहाँ वो अब अपने घोंसले की, अपनी खुशी से आना, अपनी खुशी से जाना, लगता है चोट दिल पर, आता है याद जिस दम, शबनम के आंसुओं पर कलियों का मुस्कुराना। वो प्यारी प्यारी सूरत, वो कामनी सी मूरत, आबाद जिसके दम से था मेरा आशियाना। आती नहीं सदाएं इसकी मेरी कफस में, होती मेरी रिहाई ए काश मेरे बस में। क्या बदनसीब हूं मैं, घर को तरस रहा हूँ, साथी तो है वतन में, मैं कैद में पड़ा हूँ। आई बहार कलियां फूलों की हंस रही है, मैं इस अंधेरे घर में किस्मत को रो रहा हूँ। इस कैद की इलाही दुखड़ा किसे सुनाऊं, दर्द है मैं दर्द है मैं यही कफस में, डर है मैं यही कफस में, दम दम से न मर न जाऊं। जब से चमन छोड़ा है ये हाल हो गया है, दिल गम को खा रहा है, गम दिल को खा रहा है। गाना इसको समझकर खुश हो न सुनने वाले, दुखे हुए दिलों की फरियाद ये सदा है। आजाद मुझको कर दे ओ कैद करने वाले, मैं बेज़बान हूँ कैदी, तू छोड़ के दुआ दे दुआ ले। I hope you've enjoyed that, and thank you very much.